It must be difficult being a Sunderland fan right now. To put things into perspective, you've played 35 games in all competitions this season and somehow, your team has conceded 3 goals or more in 10 of those matches. The arrival of Chris Coleman gave fans a sprinkle of optimism, but time and time again the Black Cats have crumbled. After 22 games and 364 days, Sunderland finally won a game of football at the Stadium of Light back in December, but since that win against Fulham the club have won just twice in the Championship. And during Saturday afternoon's tie against Bristol City, the first half result was the last straw for Sunderland's social media team. As you can see in the above tweet, Sunderland tweeted, "The red and white army are heading for the exits, and to be perfectly honest you can't blame them." The tweet was swiftly deleted after it received hundreds of retweets, but you've got to appreciate the refreshingly honest views of a pissed-off Sunderland fan. Just 3 minutes earlier, Bristol striker Famara Diedhiou netted to make it 3-0. 2 goals from that man Diedhiou, and defender Aidan Flint sent another Twitter account into meltdown, and you guessed it, the GIFs banged.